Thomas Edison invented the phonograph in 1877 and developed his idea into a marketable product in 1888. Here is a 1906 Edison Model D home phonograph. This machine plays cylinder records which are recorded and reproduced acoustically. The cylinder record is about 2 1/4 inches in diameter by 4 inches long and made from a wax compound. To play the phonograph, place the cylinder record on the mandrel. Wind the motor. Start the motor. Position the reproducer carriage and gently lower to the record. When the record's finished playing, you lift the stylus, shut off the motor, extract the cylinder, replace it in its container. Very careful because it is wax and it is breakable. That's the Thomas A. Edison gold molded record, and that is the home Model D Edison phonograph.